Welcome to KristyCoromandel.com. In this video I want to show you how to clean your stamps using a Stampin' Scrub and the Stampin' Mister. Now you'll notice here that the scrub here actually comes in this hard case and it's very easy to use. So it comes in this hard plastic case, and when you open it, it has two sides. Now each of these sides has a pad that has a very soft bristly surface on it. Now one side is designated as its wet side, and you'll see in the little corner here that it has these little raindrops, and the other side is the dry side, and you'll see up here that it has a little sun. And what it means is that on the wet side I will spritz my cleaning solution and I give my stamp the first clean, and on the dry side I'll rub my stamp off to help dry it. So to clean your stamp with a Stampin' Scrub, you begin the same way as the previous methods. You want to make sure that you stamp off as much ink as possible onto a piece of scrap paper. Once that has been done, you're going to take your Stampin' Spritzer and you're very gently going to spritz on your wet side a couple of times. Then you're going to take your stamp and gently rub it onto the bristles. Now notice I said gently rub. You want to kindly have it sit on top of the bristles and rub it back and forth. What you don't want to do is mash down and really scrub it down on the pad, because what you're doing in this case is you're crossing down on these bristles and it doesn't allow them to do their job to get into these nooks and crannies and clean out all the ink. So once you've cleaned your stamp, usually the gentle rubbing motion, you go into the dry side of your pad and you gently rub your stamp across that until it's dry. And once that's done, I always go back to my grid paper and I stamp a few more times just to make sure not only that it's dry, that all the ink has come off. Now one of the biggest pros of using the Stampin' Scrub is that you actually get superior cleaning results as opposed to using baby wipes or paper towel. Although it is more expensive to purchase up front, in the long time you will save money, as the pads can be cleaned once they get too dirty, so you can use it over and over again and get many years of use out of them. The only downside is that the pads can get dirty really quickly when you're using dark or very vibrant ink pads, even when you make it a habit to stamp in excess ink off. And what that means is that I'm having to find myself washing the pads more than I like. So I'll give you some more information on features of the Stampin' Scrub, on how to tell when it's dirty and how to clean it in other videos.